A few reminders and details I wanted to show you about when you're working with your site. Just a reminder that things are drop and drag. So you can just click on something and drag it somewhere else on the screen. I can click my picture, move it over, and remember, I can resize things as well. If I want this smaller because I want to fit more things in here, I can drag from the corners and make it smaller and then slide it over. Then if I want to move my map next to it, there's room. Now if I wanted to move something else here, I could click again, and on any of these objects, when you see these little balls, I can drag in from the corner. It'll do the width and the height. It changes the size. I can drag it over and fit something else here. So this is much more convenient than when we worked in old Google Sites if you used it. And remember, let's take a look at this site in preview mode. If you want to see how the site's going to look, all you have to do is click on the eye up here and it will take you into preview mode. Now, a few things about preview mode that Google has added. This is going to show you what it's going to look like on a large screen. I can click on this one and it will show me what it would look like on a tablet. So see how it looked a little different? And this would be mobile for a phone. So you can see how your site is going to look. Now obviously this site is not necessarily optimized for the phone, but you can still all see all the different pieces, parts on the phone. So you've got phone, tablet, and full screen. When you want to get out of preview mode, just click on the X. So you've got more options in terms of navigating around your site. One other thing I forgot to tell you, you can change your image and your header type as well. So header type, you've got banner is by default, large banner makes it bigger, title only makes it smaller. So you can change the look of the banner. Also, you were able to, in banner and large banner, change the image. So if you have an image that you want yourself, you can change the image of your main banner. So I can click on change image, and much like adding images, you can upload by URL, search, or Google Drive. The one difference is you have this gallery of images and image types that you can use at your leisure to change your banner. Those same things had applied to your background sections. You can also do an image, and they do have the gallery. It's the same gallery. Or you could upload by URL, by search. I want to warn you a couple things about changing the backgrounds of the sections. You don't want things to get too busy. So I wouldn't pick one image for here and then pick another image for here and yet another image for down here. It can kind of make your page look not cohesive. So you want to take into consideration your look of your page aesthetically. So if you want to pick the same one, because then you have continuity, we can pick the same one for your different sections. Excuse that message. And take a preview and see how it looks like one image now. So my suggestion is, in changing the section breaks on the back, is that your pages should have some continuity. Maybe you just want to pick an emphasis. That's the color that will go with your, depending on the theme you talk, or if you want to pick an image, I would keep with the same image. So those are just a few things to know.